Hello. Today, we're going to explore an interesting fact: why there is no sound in space. You might wonder, how can space be completely silent? Let's dive in. First, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy created by vibrations. When something vibrates, like a guitar string, it creates waves that travel through the air. These waves reach our ears, and that's how we hear sound. But sound needs a medium to travel, like air, water, or solid objects. It moves by bouncing off molecules in these materials. Without molecules, there is no way for sound waves to move. Space is mostly a vacuum. That means it's almost completely empty, with very few molecules floating around. Because there are hardly any molecules, sound waves can't travel through space. How do we know this? Astronauts and space probes have confirmed it. When watching space videos, you never hear explosions or engine sounds outside the spacecraft. Astronauts use radios to communicate because normal sound waves don't work in space. Movies often show loud space explosions, but that's just for drama. In reality, space is silent. If a spaceship exploded in space, no one outside would hear it. Inside the ship, sounds can be heard through vibrations. Since sound waves can't travel in space, astronauts use radio waves instead. Radio waves are electromagnetic and can travel through the vacuum. That's how they talk to each other and to Earth. On Earth, sound travels through our atmosphere. Without it, like on the Moon, no sound can be heard. Astronauts on the Moon talk through radios inside their helmets because there's no air to carry sound. Complete silence in space can be eerie for astronauts. They often play music or talk to keep the silence away. Space is quiet, but that quietness can feel strange or even unsettling. Scientists have tested this in vacuum chambers on Earth. In these chambers, sound simply cannot travel. This confirms what we observe in space: sound needs a medium. To sum up, sound needs something to travel through. Space is mostly empty, so sound can't move there. That's why space is silent. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating facts.